Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Airalo eSIM stuck on activating message won't go away. To fix an Airalo eSIM stuck on the activating or activation failed status, the most critical step is to turn on data roaming for the Airalo line while physically present at your destination. Many travelers mistake the activating status for a system failure, but it is often just a normal pending status until the phone can physically connect to a supported local tower. Step 1. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. Normal behavior. The activating loop is standard if you install the profile before departing. Network handshake. The process can take up to 15 minutes once you land. Next, do not delete. Never remove the eSIM as Airalo profiles are strictly single use. Step 2. Configure your cellular settings. First, turn line on. Go to your device SIM manager and toggle the Airalo line to on. Next, enable roaming. Turn data roaming to on specifically for the Airalo profile. Next, select data source. Change your primary mobile data slash cellular data source to the Airalo eSIM. Next, disable switching. Turn off allow cellular data switching to avoid accidental roaming fees on your main line. Step 3. Force a local network handshake. Toggle airplane mode. Turn airplane mode on for 30 seconds and after 30 seconds, turn it off. Next, hard restart. Reboot your phone to clear temporary network cache, stalling the activation loop. Next, disconnect VPNs. Turn off any active VPNs as security protocol block eSIM server verification. Step 4. Manually select a network operator. Open your device, cellular slash mobile data settings. Now click on your Airalo eSIM and tap network selection or operator and toggle automatic to off. Wait for the list of local networks to populate and select the specific carrier assigned to your voucher found in your Airalo app purchase history. Troubleshooting status breakdown. Activating loop. The phone is waiting for a local network handshake. Turn on data roaming and wait for 15 minutes. Single bars but no data. The network is connected but internet protocol is blocked. Verify or manually enter the APN settings. Activation failed. The profile cannot authenticate with the local carriers. Toggle airplane mode or contact Airalo support. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.